Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Alight Motion app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Alight Motion is a professional mobile video and animation editing app that offers a wide range of tools for creating high-quality motion graphics, animations, and video edits. Users can work with multi-layer editing, keyframe animation, visual effects, color correction, and both vector and bitmap support. The app also allows audio editing and real-time previews, making it suitable for both simple edits and complex creative projects. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is popular among content creators and aspiring animators for its versatility, intuitive interface, and professional-grade editing capabilities on mobile. Users appreciate the keyframe controls, smooth workflow, and variety of effects that allow them to produce visually compelling content. It also supports exporting projects in high resolution, which is helpful for social media and professional purposes. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While many basic tools are free, access to advanced effects, premium assets, and high-resolution exports requires a subscription. Some users report occasional lag on larger projects, and the abundance of features can be overwhelming for beginners. Additionally, it may not fully replace desktop editing software for highly detailed professional work. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Alight Motion app may be worth using if you're looking for a mobile-friendly, professional-quality video and animation editor. It shines in versatility, creative tools, and multi-layer editing. However, if you need all features for free or require full desktop-level capabilities, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.